Two flights arriving within hours of each other is a rare sight at Hainan International Airport, but that is exactly what happened this morning. The two chartered flights brought in the remaining delegations for the Foreign Economic Ministers meeting that is underway here on Niue this week. The first flight, which was chartered by the World Bank, also brought in the Tongan delegation, and later the New Zealand Air Force Hercules brought in officials and ministers from New Zealand, Samoa and Vanuatu. With the arrival of these delegations, the Premier Honourable Toki Talangi also took the opportunity to present Niue's donations towards the appeals for these regional partners who have been affected by recent disasters. Niue's donation towards the Christchurch earthquake appeal was given to the Associate Finance Minister of New Zealand, Simon Power, with a sum of $59,000, and also to the Tongan tsunami appeal that was presented to Honourable Otanifi of Fua'alo Matoto with a sum of $14,000.